Hi, I'm Neil with ArrKann Trailer. Thanks for joining me. I want to talk a little bit about this Sundance 241 RK. That stands for rear kitchen. This is a lightweight travel trailer and it's one of the best built in its classification. I'll show you why. In the front, we've got a molded fiberglass cap, something you'd see on a high-end fifth wheel. We've got the rock guard, checker plate rock guard to protect the front, a couple propane tanks, and a power tongue jack. Big pass-through storage. This pass-through storage has a few features to it that are important. First of all, I like how clean it is. It's finished on the inside. It has a strip of LED light, which is controlled right here by the switch. And then it's a magnet catch baggage door with slam latch. Power awning. The power awning is the full length of this coach. It goes over top of both doors. You can see it's a double entry. And the power awning is equipped with an LED light as well. This trailer has exterior speakers. It has 4 stabilizer jacks, which are all power as well. And then it's a true hardwall, so it's a fully laminated fiberglass exterior, very strong and lightweight. This trailer actually comes in at under 5,400 pounds dry. Let's go inside. Actually, before we go inside, there's 2 more features that I would hate to do you the disservice of not sharing with you. First is the solid steps. So this is a MORride solid step feature. Instead of the hanging steps, it's just a lot more solid, it's a lot more safe. And then it folds up and goes into the coach in transit. That's where it stores. And the second feature is this friction hinge door. So both doors have this. Instead of putting a clip on the side of your trailer that could potentially break, or having a 90-degree strut, which really hinders your options, this has a friction door. And it is tightness in the hinge that allows you not to really slam it. Wherever you put it, it stays. Come on inside now. In the Sundance 241 rear kitchen, it has a rear kitchen. So here we are at the back, and it's got lots of counter space, lots of storage, a bank of drawers. These are high quality drawers too, by the way. This one's preset for your utensils. It's a metal drawer glide with ball bearings, and it's full extension, something you'd see in a house. Solid surface countertops instead of the 2-piece laminate with the T-molding. It has residential style stainless steel sunk-in sink and a nice size faucet as well. Windows are good, storage are good, counter space is good. Also, I'm not sure if you can see it from your angle. What? A walk-in closet? Once again, really smart use and design, really smart use of the space in this trailer. It's right by the entrance exit. This is where you're gonna keep your extra boots, your coats. I don't know if you're camping at Maylong, maybe your toque. Lots of storage in there. As we come across, this is a slide. Now this slide is what we refer to as a flush floor slide, but it's not as deep as other slides, and that's how they keep the weight down on this trailer. And then here we have a 7 cubic foot fridge and freezer. This is a Dometic fridge. Works off 2 ways, so it's true RV fridge, works off of electricity or your propane. Love the sitting situation in this trailer. If you have a gander, you got your couch, which folds out into a small bed like a gaucho would, and then you've got your dinette booth right across from each other. So if you're ever sitting, there's 4 of you, it creates a nice space to entertain. This folds down to a bed as well, and there's storage underneath, which is accessible from here. And then your TV. This is a real nice placement of a television. Your TV is not the most important thing when you're camping, but it sure is nice to have. Maybe a rainy day, maybe it's an evening you just want to watch a movie. The TV just is on a power switch, and it folds in right behind your booth all the way down, and now you have nature because of this window. Let's have a look at the bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. It's a queen island residential size queen, and there's an extra door, the entrance, that goes right in and out of this room, which is great. For example, if you were up earlier, wanted to go to bed first, you wouldn't have to disturb anyone else in the trailer. You can just go in and out of your bedroom as you please. And of course, it has a full sliding door for privacy as well. On both sides of the bed are wardrobe cupboards, side tables, outlets, 110 volt outlets, reading lights, which you can control yourself, and then more storage up top. You know, also now that I look up, I'm a pretty tall guy. These are barreled ceilings in the Sundance, so they are a lot higher, and it just has a bigger profile feel to it than most travel trailers. There's also built-in more storage. What do I say about storage? It's the best. More storage in here with a bank of drawers, and you could bring more clothes than you could ever need. That's only a taste of what this Sundance has to offer, but you have to come see me to get more. Once again, my name's Neil with ArrKann Trailer. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to ArrKann YouTube channel for more informative videos, upcoming promotions, and some technical service videos too.